Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nice to meet you, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Novi Angelika Putri. You can call me Novi or Lika. I'm from Sidoarjo, but I was born in Makassar, Sulawesi Selatan at 1 November 2006. I have part-time job as a YouTube streamer. I can do voice acting, either in Japanese or Chinese language. Hmm. In my free time, I love cooking. I love cooking and baking some cakes or cookies. I do really love playing games, especially story games and some competitive games. I have I have I have I have joined or participate in a lot of tournament games such as Mobile Legends tournament, Honor of Kings tournament, Apex Legends, Valorant, and etc. I'm oh, I'm good at voice acting too in Japanese or Chinese language, and I can sing, but sometimes my voice is cracked when I sing because it's my throat is not warm enough, so I need to warm it before I sing. I think that's all for my introduction.